Welcome to the Bradenton Area Economic Development Corporation's monthly Minute-ish. I'm Sharon Hillstrom, President and CEO, and today I'm speaking with you about the aviation aerospace sector, our marquee sector here in the Bradenton area on Florida's west coast. We continue to develop our recruitment strategy around this great sector, and one of the things that we did this year was attend the Paris Air Show back in June. We joined our partners from the Sarasota Bradenton International Airport, had a great experience at the show, met with several companies that expressed an interest in locating their businesses here on the west coast of Florida. The highlight of that trade show was our visit with Pilatus, the Swiss aircraft manufacturer that will be locating here at the Sarasota Bradenton International Airport next year, projected to create over 300 jobs and almost a $30 million capital investment. So look forward to hearing more about that next year. So with that, what we say to those aviation and aerospace companies out there, launch here, land anywhere. We'll see you next time. Please do remember to like, share, and comment.